Right, in this video we're going to show you how to replace the wiper sill on the Eclipse gear drive. This also applies to our Neptune gear drives, and so if you have either of those sprinklers, the process would be exactly the same. The first thing we recommend is taking off the top and pulling out the body there. Then you can take this to take this inside where you can work on it. It might be easier. So you'll notice that on the old ones the wiper sill is white, and it's now been replaced with an upgraded wiper sill that is actually black. Same part, they both fit, but this one's got a couple microscopic improvements to it, so that's why we've introduced that. So this is the wiper sill, the white part, and to pull that off you've got actually two pieces there. It may be sort of tough to see. There's a hard plastic ring that fits into the grooves under there. That part needs to stay. What we need is just the soft white part, and we just sort of have to pry on that and it'll pull off. Get rid of that and you've got the new one. Fits right over the top there. You want to situate that white part there in. That's what holds the spring in place. Really, that's all there is to it. Once that's on, it should hold the spring there, but not go flying off. And then take the lid, put it back into your canister, screw that down, and you're all set to go. So that's how you replace the wiper sill on these sprinklers. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments and we'd be happy to help.